All right, y'all, I am going to be trying my Burger King sandwich now. And, y'all, I'm so tired. I'm so glad I cleaned my house yesterday, though, because when I come home to a clean house, it's just chef's kiss. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Ooh. So this is giving me the Popeyes chicken sandwich vibes. Like, it's a big, juicy one. Ooh, it actually looks and smells so good. Sorry, y'all, you know I had to get my thumbnail. Okay, let's give this a go. Ooh, it's juicy. This is a good chicken sandwich. Dare I say better than the Popeyes one. And honestly, the seasoning is like the Nashville hot. That's a good chicken sandwich, y'all. Try it. Y'all. I almost wish I had gotten the classic, because if the spicy is good, you already know the classic is probably bussin'. All right, reviews, it is definitely good. Definitely go out and try it. All right.